I'm enjoying myself? Ugh. All you do is make fun of me.
The neighbor them next door call and them a complain say music way too loud.
I don't care about the neighbors. They say something, I could go over there and kill them. I'm playing with you.
What that in the yarn?
I brought my bong. You wanna try?
Billy, come on now, you have to do better, Billy.
You have any herbs?
What do you mean if me have herbs? Billy, you now smoking at me house.
Oh man, I left mine at home.
Work with me, no come here, work with you, you know. You hungry by the way?
A little bit. What you got?
Your cousin downstairs, she'll look for lunch, so you soon get something feed, yeah?
Man, you know she can't cook. My friend's about to come see me today.
Your friend?
I hope he comes.
So hold on, he might come back over here today again?
He got some good weed.
Billy, you stress me. Me not lie, you stress me. Babe, I can bet you in here troubling him. Billy, come for your lunch. Billy, you have no mates here working for you. Get up and come for your lunch.
Oh my God, man.
Make sure you eat it off. I need to talk to you when you're done.
Ugh, it's that Jamaican shit. I don't want a fried chicken and rice and peas, man. I want some Starbucks.
Billy, at that alone we have, you have to go eat that a fried chicken. Eat it. Starbucks now go do nothing for you right now. You know which part the nearest Starbucks there? Hello?
Oh, I miss.
What you doing here again?
Billy, me come to see Billy. Remember play a game?
Billy's upstairs.
Okay, thank you, yeah?
Go on.
Alright.
You love people, you are too much, man. Jesus.
Can I get your car? I want to go on the road.
Borrow my car? No.
Oh, man.
Billy, me about to go downstairs. So, if you want water or anything, just link me and we bring it to you. Alright?
Alright, bro. Thanks.
Cool.
Good evening, sir. Billy inside the big room?
In there, sir.
Oh, alright. Look him. Billy. Yo, Jabez, what's up, man? Come here, bro. You got no herbs? Weed? Weed? Man, I no weed. Oh, man. You know where we can get some? Down the road. Okay. Hear what? We're gonna go after this. Billy, how for food this? Me can get it? Yeah, you could take my food. We're gonna go after this. Get lit. Where's my bag? Hold up, bro. Let me get my lighter. Alright. I'm about to leave.
So what on there? How are the friend that do you today again? Babe, listen. Remember, you know, it's Billy's friend. We can't stop him friend from coming here. Listen, a Billy, we get paid for, you know. We now get paid for the friend, you know, so him now fit the... Me go upstairs to kick him out, you know. Babe, you making a big deal out of nothing. He's only spending 2 days. Today is the last day. You see, if we never did I get paid for this, because me can't stand up here and him a disrespect me and me own house just for little money, you know. Me can't take it. Babe, stop acting like this. Why are you behaving so stubborn?
Hey guys, so I'm leaving.
Oh, you leaving today?
Yeah, I gotta go over to my stepdad's house now.
Alright, Billy, do remember to come again, you know. You're always welcome here. Don't babe. Oh, Billy, we are gonna miss you so much. Oh my God, you enjoy your stay?
You're still a bitch.
Okay, you can come anytime again, you know. Just come back anytime again, man. The price I save, the price I save.
Cuzzo, if he ever hurt you, just call me. Count your days. Shabazz, come on! I gotta go now. I'll see you again.
Bye, Billy, bye.
Shabbos, come on!
How are you friendly?
Yeah! Wait, hold on. Before me leave, we wanna buy that food, cause it tastes so good.
Hurry up and come out. Run with the food too.
Me a left. Alright, yeah? Later. Yeah, come!
I'm gonna lock the door.
Alright, Billy.
Babe, no, do not close the door. Last night, I had this brilliant idea while you were sleeping. There is 12 kids coming right now. We open up a daycare. Well, 12 more pitney are coming up today. Babe, it's money. Well, you turn in a daycare.
Hold on there, before we click off, remember the merch in the bio right now for purchase. Any Big Up Me G's merch, any color, we have everything for the ladies them, you know what I mean? We have phone case, we have everything, we have pullover, we have regular shirt, we have long sleeve. Support the movement, my G's. Blessings and respect. Up it in a